I gave you a community boy!
Chill, bro. I got you. I got you.
Gim! The tiny backpack? You want the tiny backpack?
I do a
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
Boy, you better turn that shit off right now, boy. I'm gonna crawl back there and beat the fuck I say, boy. I'm gonna crawl. Boy, turn that shit. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop resisting!
Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I need to look through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Get what I need you to run through it.
Go, I'm going to heaven.
On three. 1, 2, 3. What's that noise? It's a little polar bear! Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Let me pet you.
I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Yeah! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh? Oh yeah? Not without the power of love! What? What's up, dweeb? Yeah, fight me, dweeb. Yeah, good job. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. I want the drugs! Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs?
The weather's pretty nice and the water's pretty warm. Let's jump in.
The water is pretty warm.
Should I do it now?
Boom.
What?
Should I do it now?
I don't care, bro. You try to recreate it.
You got it the wrong way round. It's the wrong way round.
Oh, you're cooked, you're cooked.
The roles are reversed. You're banned, you're banned, you're banned, you're banned.
What the fuck?
Bro, why you
I
ban
have
him?
the
Next door, living in the haunted mansion.
Better learn my name, cause it's Ash. Any picture.
Get the heck out of it! But how did you die?
Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, banana, banana.
2, 1, go! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did! Don't let me go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Come here, buddy. You stole my ammo company coins? No, no, no! You stole my ammo company coins? Come here, buddy. No, 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 no. Who you get?
Why you kill him?
I did not kill him. No, 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 no.
Why
No,
you kill
not the big fool. No. Bro, you know what? You know what? You know what?
A grenade!
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
No, no. Hey, Brody. Brody, hold on.
There's an animatronic found in the back alley.
Easy!
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are. Get this baby out of my face. I want that money. Yo, so where's my money? Jake, Jake?
Oh, oh, stole your fist.
Hey! No! No!
Yo, take it back. Take it back, bro. I'm sorry.
Just jump down. It's not scary.
Okay. Here, jump down after me.
Alright.
Holy. Oh, I did it. Where's he?
Alright, bro, yeah, it's over here, you know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You tried to clean it. Okay.
Yeah.
Split. Shit. Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell it!
Bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
Dude,
Oh!
don't.
Oh!
Three, 2, 1, go!
Mercy! Mercy! No, mercy!
You can fall for anything.
Whoa.
Like you throw this bone, go fetch.
Like your braids. Drop a follow button and shake and shake.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
Wanna see my new invention?
Yeah, sure. Okay, what's this invention called?
It's called the Blindinator.
Alright, what does this blindinator do?
It makes people blind.
Wait, what?
Yo, watch where you're going, nerd! What the fuck? Give me your lunch money! Give me my lunch money! I'll give you my lunch money!
So, Bill, why did you know, like, do that to him?
Cause he's a flippin' loser! What'd you say to me, punk?
Stop!
What is Nippy Boy?
Kiki.
Nerves, what are you doing?
What the fuck do you want?
Bro, what did you do?
Me want to fly.
Can I count you in?
No! Me want to... Me want...
Oh, what the flip? Hey, get in the bag though, guy!
Fuck no, bitch!
Get in the fucking bag!
Oh my god!
Okay, buddy, you gotta eat.
Fuck no, motherfucker!
Do it!
I'm fine, jeez! Holy flippin' goodness!
Okay, Bill, it's time to go swimming.
Fuck no, motherfucker!
Okay, Bill, it's time for your second broccoli.
Never flippin' loser! Okay, what the fuck? Is that Bill?
Yeah.
Got him!
Come on, Bill, I got your first present. Open it up.
Okay.
Oh, you're so stupid.
God, watch it!
3, 2, 1, go! The winner is him! You're the winner of the competition.
This is rigged! This is rigged! What is
Guys,
you know what?
No!
I'm done! I'm back to
No.
What do we do? Put it out! Just run! Dude, we gotta get out of here! Stop the clock!
Sir, stop! I need to scan you.
Okay.
What do you have in your bag? Empty out your bag. Go on. Sir, you cannot have those on the plane. Bro.
For Hakim! Hello, Akbar!
Here! Right here! All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry!
In a minute!
Justin, Lucas,
Hawkins.
Dylan.
We smoke!
Fuck you mean? It's an AI. We're not tricking an AI.
AI, bro.
Killing these niggas, fuck up my composure. Snakes in the grass, so I keep.
Oh, qué buen día. Amigo, ¿dónde está el baño?
Ahí está.
Put your hands up! Please don't do it. I'm waiting gates.
Mommy, what the fuck are you doing, you fucking bitch?
Not gonna lie, but this is getting old.
There's one more pizza left. I'ma get it. Nice.
Sir, can I please have the last slice of pizza?
Shut the fuck up.
An hour.
Yeah, fuck. Mango, no! No! Mango, no! Stop it! Stop! Mango, no! Stop! One day without funk.
Wait, why aren't you tweaked out?
I couldn't resist. Mango! 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 Dude, stop! Dude,
Shut the fuck up!
Every time you want me.
Oh, you gave me so fun.
Don't you want to snack me? Look into my eyes. With the things you were laughing about behind my back.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, this is so freaking epic. Holy crap, Donald Trump. Hello, Peter. Welcome to Fortnite.
Potato. Tato. Potato. Tater. Potato. Tomato. Tomato. Looks like a tomato. Tomato. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay. Pickle. 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 Pickle.
Cafe cucumber! Bro, please, bro, little, please, bro, please! Please, bro, no, bro, please! Please! No, why'd you do that?
Okay, and there. My time machine is complete! Let's go! Okay, we're gonna go back to OG Animal Company. Let's see if this actually works. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, what? Whoa! Whoa! What the? Whoa. Is this OG Animal Company? Let's go!
Two hours later.
Okay, sir, come up. You're up next. Come here. Okay, stop.
How's your day going, bro?
Okay, you're clear. Go on through. Okay, come here, sir. Okay, stop.
Thank you. Arrow! Beep, 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 beep.
Sir, do you have something on you?
No.
Can you do a circle real quick? Can you turn around, sir?
I forgot about that.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours. Telling all the bluebirds. The bill and cool birds.
It's a bird! It's a plane! It's an egg salad sandwich!
Actually, guys, I think that's a bomb.
Wait, what? See, guys? It's not a bomb!
I did not trust you. I did not trust you like Sumer, so I just teleported you. You guys know what I just experienced?
Excuse me, are you guys still open?
Yeah, what order you like today, sir?
Oh, thank God. Can I get 8 double cheeseburgers, 15 large fries, 8 Coca-Colas, 10 apple pies, 3 Happy Meals, 15 orders of chicken nuggets, extra large,
Anything else?
and for the homeless, everything but times 3.
Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Whoa.
Tweeters, Johnson Tweeters.
Yo, can I get some mustard on my hot dog?
Tiki, tiki.